Hey, it's your boy Q, and you with Q's BOXCHEVY, man. Yeah, dig. Another day, another dollar. Know what I'm saying? And popped out, trying to see what's going on out here, man. I'm probably about to pull up on Slinko, man. Pull up on Slinko, see what he got going, man. I bet he making a fire-ass beat or something. You know, that's what he do, man. Slinko got beat, so see what he doing. I'm gonna pull up on him in a minute, man, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on, all right? Bet. Motivated to get it, man, to figure it out. So if you ain't on that, man, I don't know what you're doing, man. If you one of them crash dummy ass dudes, bro, you probably on the wrong channel, bro. Cause over here we try to elevate every day. I'm down to one card, but yet I'm still happy. I ain't gonna even let it get me down, cause I know what I can do and I know what's to come. So everybody out there, if you feeling discouraged, man, keep your head up, for real. It took me a long time to get like that where I'm at, like mentally where I'm at now. It's a lot of stuff I've been doing, man. I even been delivering food on the side. I make what I want to make. Thank everybody for subscribing to my channel, Big Bag Association. And that's just what that is, man. QBC. Yes, sir, man. Let me show y'all this Meatloaf. Let's see what it's looking like, man. We done had it on since like 12, so look at it, see what's going on. I gotta start my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna let baby get the cabbage going, so I'm just waiting for her to pull up. She out there grinding until we both got that same mentality, so yeah, man, we ain't playing, bro. Everybody bag different, bro. The hustle, I like to work hard for mine, man. I don't like it easy. And I've always been like that, bro. And shout out to everybody, man. I hope everybody having a wonderful day. And you know it's Cowboy Nation, man. It's Sunday, man. Ready for the Cowboys to play Green Bay, so that's what that is. We probably have to walk Chopper. I done had them in the room locked down, staying warm. Cause yeah, the heater been messed up. I don't even need to know all that, but it'll be fixed tomorrow. See, it's always something every day with me. It's always something. So I gotta try to smile, or I'm gonna crash out, I'm gonna go crazy. So I gotta smile it off, and that's been helping me, man. So it's all about growth and getting better within yourself and knowing who you are as a person and just being you. No bullshit over here, man. Nothing but blessings, but hey, let's check it out. Have music playing, man.
Get my face.
It's going down, bro. Y'all thought it was a game. Oh, yeah. I can turn it down the oven because it's kind of scorching the bottom, but turn it to like 250. It'll be good, you know. This is what I do, man. Y'all may not think I did the meatloaf. Bell peppers and some other ingredients I can't tell y'all, man, but stay tuned. Baby, with the fried cabbage, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like later on when we get everything else. You know what I'm saying? I already got my heat on. It's already on. We got the bacon, smoked sausage, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, red onions, white, and our cabbage, man. Fried cabbage. Let's start with this here. Let that do its thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all think I be playing, I really be cooking in here, me and my love. Y'all think I be playing, I really be in here cooking. For real. So we gonna just let that wilt down. And now I'll cut you back on. Hey, onions. We got the paprika in there. You already know what's going on, everybody. Yeah. Let them wilt down. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah, we eating good over here. Took the pork out just for a minute. We're gonna go in with the cabbage here shortly. Just a little bit of paprika though. To give it that, you know what I mean? That
Alright, not ready for this.
Yeah, look how it look now. Don't that look like a skillet full of love? Yeah. Yeah, man. And don't think we gave you all the secrets to it, man. Nah, you can never do that. But don't that look good? Look at that. And we adding. We gonna go on with this one. Oh, that's how you doing it? All right.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. Man, I don't know why that shit playing, bro, but hey, just had to make a store run real quick. You dig what I'm saying? Association, you heard me? Sound like this. Sound like the trunk doing a little something, man. I'm gonna have to look up under there. But hey, thanks for rocking with me, man. You know what it is. We keep it nothing but 100 and raw over here. We ain't hiding nothing. I ain't trying to act like I'm better than nobody. None of that. I ain't never been like that, bro. I'm so low key, bro. I could have a Bentley and still jump in a a bucket, bro. I ain't tripping. As long as I can handle my business and get to where I need to get to, bro, I'm good. I don't try to be flashy and all that all the time, bro. Shit, niggas already be looking at a nigga crazy already, like they want to do something. Ain't even flashy or nothing. I love my people though, man. Real spill, I love my people, bro. They act like they too hard to tell you. Look at this bitch ass loud. I ain't tripping though. Niggas don't even know I'm in this car. They don't know who in this. I don't drive the truck all the time like that. But yeah. Sunday, fun day, man. People can't drive, bro. I ain't gonna count. Sunday, gonna eat some meatloaf and cabbage and sweet potato, man. Yes, sir. Better stop playing with us, man. But yeah. So, with the BOXCHEVY, man, the next thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be dropping them off, just getting my little switch, my little horn, cause I be needing to blow at people. Come on, lady, come on. I ain't in no rush, bro. God damn, that ugly ass dog, you know. But yeah, man. A lot more stuff coming up, man. Yeah, I'm taking my time, bro. I ain't fast as everybody else. They can tell me go to such and such, you know what I'm saying? But like, you got the relationship with them, not me. I may end up getting fucked over in the end. That's what I'm saying. Like, I gotta find my own people and move and go like that, bro. For real, man. And I ain't tripping about that. I got the car, bro. I got mines, bro. So you think I'm tripping and trying to rush the... Y'all be talking mess about the headliner and all that, bro. I don't care. I'm riding, though. Everything under the hood. I got that right. I had a transmission leak for the longest. Got that right. So, man, stop playing with me out here, man. I pulled it down, really. So, it is what it is, man. It's gonna be right, and you know when I get it right, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you guys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's all love, man. I'm gonna get it every way I can, bro. I'm up early every day. I'm on YouTube learning. I'm gonna apply that to what I'm doing now. And it's a go, you know what I'm saying? The end result just like that, man. We ain't selling plates, but you may get to that point. Cause yeah, our stuff legit. I ain't one of yours. You made it happen. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think gonna happen, man? You know, it's Big Body Cowboy Nation over here. What y'all think gonna happen? But hey, man, I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed my meal, my dinner. We really threw down, man. And I showed y'all. I wish I could have showed y'all more of me how I put that meatloaf together, man. It was awesome. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tapped in with me, man. I'ma forever keep some great content coming in. You know what I'm saying? And once I get that camera, man, it's really going down. But it's Q signing out, man. Y'all keep rocking with me, and I'll see y'all next time. Y'all stay blessed and stay focused and stay safe, man. Holla. Cowboy Nation.